And this is the moment we have all been waiting for. Bacolod Stronger Together. Here's our beloved Mayor, Honorable Mayor Greg Gasataya for his inaugural address.
Despite the rain, we are all still here to show that indeed wala isang ulan na makapugong sa pag-asa sa mga Secretary John Vic Trimulia, thank you very much for spending your time. I know how busy you are as one of the working members of the cabinet of the President. We really appreciate your effort in coming to Bacolod City. Maraming salamat. To all our elected officials, Congressman-elect Albi Benitez, salamat gid sa wala untat na pagsalit since 2010 up to now. I assure you, Mayor, kaantanan namin uling personally sa aton will not be put to waste, and I will do everything that I can to make Bacolod a city that you've been dreaming of and working on. Salamat din, Congressman. Vice Mayor Calao Puentevilla and family, members of the City Council, Councilor Cesar Distrito, Councilor Tadi Saison and family, Councilor Jason Villarosa and family, Councilor Al Espino, Councilor M. Ang, Councilor Celia Flor, the ever-blooming member of the City Council. But I really appreciate the presence tonight, one of the newly elected members of the City Council. Despite that he came from a different political group, he joined us tonight to show unity and solidarity. Salamat din, Councilor June Gamboa. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Sa akon pamilya, sa akon asawa, sa akon duwa ka kamataan na wala gid nagpabaya kag naghimo sa tanan to help us not just during the campaign but the entirety of my being a public servant. Salamat gid kag padayon gid sa akon mga kabyan. Would like to make a special mention of a good friend, Mr. Ayendo. He will bring us tonight sa maayong entertainment. Thank you again. Kay maabot ng gilugayan si DJ KG to entertain all of us. Sa akong mga pamilya, utod, mamangod, sa akon nga mga iya, sa akon nga mga classmates, sa mga college, maraming salamat. Since then, maraming salamat. And also, I'd like to make special mention to the next chairman, Philippine Sports Commission, was just announced this afternoon by President Bongbong Marcos. Chairman Patrick Pato. Thank you, Chairman, for joining me tonight. Sa akong tanan ng mga barangay officials, barangay captains, barangay gawads, SK chairpersons, SK gawads, salamat sa inyong presensya. Salamat sa inyong pagpakita, sa pagbuling, kag suporta. For the past 1 month and a half, naman atingala, sinanuay din ka patawag meeting, sige, kaya may ginukubra kung may importante para sa inyo. Don't worry, buwas masupunta. At the same time, sa akong tanang-tanan ng mga Asenso leaders at supporters, madamugin nga salamat. To all our former city officials who are here, I saw former Congressman, former Mayor Monico Pentevella, former Mayor Joy Valdez, former Congressman John Rola, former Councilor Canoctan. I know I might miss someone. Thank you for your presence. To our fellow public servants in the judiciary, the PNP, Department of Education, the academe, the DLG, those in the health profession and the finance, thank you for your presence. At the same time, sa sektor na akong ginarinan, ng kabahin sa akong sa iyong pagpanglagan, sa aton mga kauturan sa media, salamat sa inyong padayo ng pagpapon sa pagpapasan sa mga kalupa. To all our religious leaders, thank you. To my staff in Congress, salamat. Salamat. To all our department heads and employees, our partners, the utilities, Pasiwan, Power, at the same time, sa tanan nga aritari, salamat sa inyong presensya. This is the longest greetings that I made in my entire life. So, pasensya ako. Because hindi ko isa-isa. Because I know the sacrifices that we made just to attend the induction and inauguration. At the same time, I would like to make special mention of our business leaders that is sa Ciudad de Sampacon. If you've noticed, they came from different companies. They have, some of them are posing businesses, but they are one with us tonight to show sa atong nga pag-isa diri sa Ciudad sa Sampacon. Salamat din sa atong business sector. Labi kaglabaw sa tanan, pumuloyo sa Ciudad sa Sampacon. Salamat din sa inyong patayo sa amin. A couple of days ago, I was preparing for the inaugural address. But wala din sa may nagsulod sa akong sa Pangulo. Kahapon, I called up my staff sa Manila. Silin ko, may ara pa bala na bilin na mga nag-apply for operations sa NKTI, National Kidney, Heart Center, kaniban pa. After checking, she told me that as of June, we were able to assist 32 patients coming from Bacolod City na nag-undergo different operations dito sa Metro Manila. And the government was able to spend and help 10.5 billion to pay the medical bills of these population. And the last person before I went my turn as congressman that brought